Welcome back to the Adventures of Team DLT. Well, we got loaded, trailer switched out in Moria, Kansas. It's probably going to be a short video because we can be up there about 8 hours. But we got her switched around. We will get back up there. Like I said, we're going to be home this weekend for a birthday party. It's a big one. So maybe we'll have some video from that after this load. I don't know. Maybe they'll have us something short to do yet. Today is Wednesday. It's going to be on Friday. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll catch you out down the road heading for Owatonna. Well, we're going to stop here at the logs.
When possible, make a U-turn, then take the first right.
Get the windshield washed away. It's bugging me. Yep. I don't know if I've ever been in this one. I just drove past it. Sure I have. What we got going on here? Super truckers.
It's pretty full.
Got this Riverside truck. Oh, we're just. What do we got going on here? What's this guy? I mean, come on, fellas. It's not that hard. Single file lines to the fuel islands.
Single file.
There's like 9 of them or 10 of them or something. Riverside, that's not a parking spot right there. Oh, so you're gonna go turn around down there. Just plug everything up.
I don't think.
All I do is wash my window. Very simple. Look at that. Just turn in. That guy. Well, I'm happy to be out of that logs. That's, it seems to forget that. That's where all the big mega carrier trucks go. So, yeah, I'll stick with the Flying J and Pilot, I think. 'Cause, I mean, they get them too, but that place is overloaded, if I'm not even going to say it. And I don't think they put anything in their washer fluid buckets. I think it's just water.
Oh, it looks okay.
Well, you go to the Pilot Flying J, their washer buckets are soapy.
So what's that?
Take the bugs off.
Do you really have to scrub?
Yeah. So there's my rant.
Thanks for
It's,
mentioning.
yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got.
That's What are we doing, babe?
Go for a walk.
Walk.
So it's got some walking paths.
Yeah, take our 30.
Yeah, 30 minutes. Reset, break thing. They say we gotta do that.
Yes.
So, alright, I guess. I think all rest areas should be like this one. Or like the other one that we did a video with the other one.
Yeah.
On I-80.
Yeah. Maybe they have names on it.
Nice first area though.
It's Watermount though.
It was like 85.
Was it? We're getting storms at home though, right? Yeah. What's this now? Cool light. Should we go see?
It's
It's a long way. You know, just some leaves.
South.
Oh, beyond.
West.
Mormon. Upland.
More north. Go that way and go across.
Sure.
That's over there. I can pass going over there. Check it out. No camping.
Oh.
Maybe they got monkeys or something.
What?
Oh, just throwing it out there.
Yeah.
It'd be really cool.
Wow.
I need some tigers and bears.
Oh my. Wait, there's a car.
Big yesterday.
What's this? Oh.
Yeah.
Upland.
Oxbow.
It's a lookout blocked by trees.
Oh, a little fireplace.
Oh,
Chimney.
chimney.
Maybe that's what Let's see.
Gotta stand in the middle. You're in a cage. Grrr.
So we gotta look up so you can look right at the trees.
It's a river. Oh, you shit.
I wonder what the...
Oh, it goes down. Goes down. Oh, there's a path back there, hon.
Yeah, there's one over here too.
Oh. Not look at the river. Fired up. Go this way.
That one looks around. I thought they would have said about what the chimney and the silo thingy
Right?
was all about. Certified.
What? Oh. That's actually a damsel. They look like dragonflies.
Yeah, this is actually a pretty cool rest area.
Oh.
On I-35 in Iowa, and some northbound down in the bottom of Iowa.
Is there a river?
Supposed to be maybe? Yeah, and if you wanting to get out and stretch your legs a little bit, go for a walk, it's a pretty cool rest area.
Yeah, it
there.
is.
Just gonna make a circle. And just around where you were. Yeah, I'm just supposed to go in there.
I see that.
Look around.
Huh?
Yeah, just want to go see what the. Go this way and see if there's a different view.
Sure.
There's the hole.
It's a damsel.
What's that bug?
Ew. What's it?
Yeah.
Don't they carry like 100 pounds their weight?
The tree branch.
I don't know what kind of tree that is.
There's a tree down there. It's overgrown.
Oh. Oh, there's a river.
We got really good shoes for this.
We're hiking, honey. We're hiking in our hay dudes.
Pretty cool.
Right? Oh, there's a...
Snake.
I would totally freak out. That. I'd jump into the river. I'd jump into the river.
They're just black ants that little ants that were infested with car.
Yeah. Came out of my passenger side Tad was on and
They were
went up.
parked under a tree. The car was sitting there for 2 weeks or something.
Yeah. Must have been a nest in the door.
There must have been, I don't know, 500 ants all of a sudden.
Crawling on your right arm. Sticking to you.
They put the window down and smeared down the window.
So we got some spray and sprayed in there and then left ant bait traps.
Gotta go on the right side, you know.
Oh. Going the wrong way.
Traffic, you know, it's like going around there.
Oh, shoot.
I always wonder if they drive down the wrong side of the road like they walk down.
Right.
I'm sure.
One was a little old lady. She probably doesn't even drive at all. Breeze is nicer. It'd be hot.
Warm though.
Yeah.
This way? This way?
Yeah.
Which way?
This way.
Huh? This way?
To the 10100 facilities.
Oh, there's some on the pole there.
Lots of picnic areas.
It's on the big sign.
Can I hide in the weeds? I can't see you through the weeds. There's Purple Rain.
It's pretty cold.
Yeah,
From here.
the rear view mirrors are. Slip Buff Park.
Fish pole. Get you. Bite. Yeah. That other respirator was pretty cool, but this one better than that one.
I think
That
so.
one's pretty cool though.
It is, but there's.
Way more walking around here.
Right.
Yeah, lake.
I'll feel the coolness. What's this? Oh. Yeah, you could fish on it, probably. Oh. That's cool. That's cool. Ah, somebody just walked in the weeds.
Pretty cool.
Are the birdies?
She was just worried about something that was walking down there in the grass. It scared her. Yeah, it's pretty clean water. Campground must go, I don't know if you can see, oh, right there must be a campground, something. What you see? No fish. Yeah, pretty cool. Go somewhere up there, get on the road, and then it comes around through here. And that takes you back to the campground and around the lake. So that's pretty cool. Well, we're on short little round in, but then we found out that a pretty good hailstorm went through home, and well, my pickup is sitting outside. Fish house is sitting outside. So we're gonna go check on that because we talked to our neighbor and he sent me pictures of his pickup in his house. It wasn't that great. My pickup's sitting right out in the open in the driveway. So we're going home a little earlier than we planned. Hope for the best, but I got a bad feeling about this. But look, see, I get to run the camera once in a while. Just when we're on our way to work or on our way home, then Mrs. gets to drive. It's my time to ride. So yeah,
3 hours.
we will probably catch up with you when we get home and see what it looks like when we get there.
Not in the Kenworth today, are we, baby?
Nope. Good thing this was in the garage. Pick up in the fish house, sure got it.
The hail. With the hail damage.
This sat all nice and tucked away.
Tell them what we got.
An 86 Z28 with 56,000 original miles on it. I don't know how stock I'm going to keep it. Doesn't have a stock steering wheel. Shifter ball's broke. I already got a new shifter for it. Just got to get it put in.
Hard top.
Yeah,
With this
hard top.
extra,
Cool little console thing.
this comes out as a flashlight. And then it's got a tripometer, whatever. It's got a little AC. That's on it. Does the horn work?
No, horn don't work.
The horn don't.
I was working on it earlier and I couldn't get it set in there right. I don't know.
Right.
Goofy little steering wheel. I don't like the steering wheel.
Yeah.
It's like a, I don't know.
Hard plastic.
I don't like it.
We'll show you pictures. We're going where?
We are going to our first roll-in car show tonight for a couple hours. Go and hang out, look at other cars, and should be a pretty cool deal. So we'll probably catch you there. I know one. So you've done before this.
Where at? Oh. Yeah, I have not been to that one.
Oh, you want my picture?